My dream school. Every student wants to read in a good school. I also have a dream of reading in a huge school. My school of dreams will be immaculate. It must possess a vast green playground. Classroom should be extended and fully air conditioned. My teachers should be loving and caring to students. My dream school should have good and clean toilets. My school should have an auditorium also. There should be a lot of good friends of mine. One day I will read in the school of my dreams. Thanks for watching. Please like my video and subscribe my channel Our Knowledge.